Model: 66-plate Mercedes Citan 109 Cdi Blueefficiency ULEZ Euro 6 body, white, minibus mileage, 253,193 engine, 1,461 cc 607 DE15LA110 HP EU6 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. ECU kit needs replacing. The engine, gearbox and running gear are absolutely perfect. Very well maintained. Just needs ECU kit replacing and will be good to go. Open mouth smile. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows, air con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £8,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.